Hey guys, it is Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another Walmart grocery haul and weekly meal plan. Everything that you see here was a little over $50 and they were split between my boyfriend and I, but this is a very small haul actually compared to the ones that we have been doing. And I literally woke up at 10 o'clock because I got off at 7, went to the store and picked up all this. I have the meal plan written down, but it's actually in my car. So I'm actually going to just tell y'all when I go through what we bought, what we're going to have for dinner. All right, so over here is, we're going to have some Kaneka's. We're actually having red beans and rice, and we have not had that in forever, so it sounded really good. So we needed some sausage, needed some mushrooms, zucchini. This was on clearance. It's decorated turtle brownie cookies. Then Jared wanted some Hershey syrup for chocolate milk. I wanted some pickles. Haven't got those in a while. Jared also picked up some chips, which is corn chips regular, and then the honey barbecue. Here's the red beans that we get, was the China doll. So we're going to soak this overnight and have this on Sunday. On Monday, we're going to have some buffalo wings, and we was just going down the aisle, and I saw this, and I'm like, oh, well, this sounds pretty cool, because we are going to get some buffalo wings, and we have sauce and everything, so I wanted to try this, and it was only like 94 cents, but we're going to have that on Monday. I got some nectarines, which looked really good. Going to throw them in the cabinet because they're a little hard. We got a sandwich that was on clearance because this is going to be for lunch, and then I'm going to go straight to bed. I picked up the blueberry flavor of the Philadelphia cream cheese. We got some milk for cereal and stuff. Some more bagels. I wanted some little snack cheese. And I got some sharp cheddar. We got some Jiffy. And then strawberries. Jared won his Kobe Jack cheese and Mal cheddar. And then linguine, I'm making actually a new recipe that I found on the allrecipe.com, and I will show you that whenever we make it. But it's called, what is it called? Linguine pancetta. It's pretty much just noodles, Parmesan cheese, and pancetta. I don't have the pancetta. I got to go to the fresh market. But this is the overview. The other days that we're going to actually have something is just breakfast, leftovers, and then on Saturday, his brother is coming into town, so we're probably going to be eating out most likely. But this is the overview. Once I make some of these recipes, I will show you the recipe, and just so y'all can see the overview of the meal plan, because I did not get to write it down because it's in my car or anything like that. So yeah, so that is it. Hopefully y'all are having a great Sunday. Let me know down below if y'all do groceries haul, and if y'all do, then I will go and check y'all out. Be sure to subscribe and let me know what y'all are cooking this week. All right, so I will see you guys later. Bye.